Sending messages with a Telegram bot is pretty easy in N8n, but private groups, that's where it becomes a bit more complicated. In this video I will show you exactly how to send and receive messages from Telegram groups using N8n. This is a trigger you are familiar with. It gets triggered by a message from your Telegram bot, so I say hello, and then if we go to the executions, you see the incoming message is hello, and then you reply to it with another Telegram note sent message. And here we put the chat ID and the text you want to send. Here it's hello from N8n to bot. And always check add fields, append N8n attribution, and turn that off. And now publish it. So this is the standard workflow. Hi. And receive a message back. Okay, now time to go to groups. Here in Telegram, you click on the edit button, new group. You can skip this step and immediately go to the next step. Give it a group name, group number 1. If we send a message from here, nothing will happen in N8n. For the moment, this group only has one member, and that is me. So we're gonna add our bot. So we click on the group name. And here at the bottom, you click on add members. And if you type in bot, you find all the bots you have. You select this one, click next. And now let's see what happens. If we send a message, will we receive it in N8n? No, the only message we receive is this one. And this means that there is a new chat participant or a new member in our group. You also see that we received a chat ID. This chat ID is also used in the next node, as you can see here. And you see the output is okay, so you would think a message has been sent, but no message has been received. To be able to receive messages, our bot needs to be administrator. And to do this, we click on the edit button. Here you click on administrators. And here you click on add administrator and you select your bot. What can it all do? Yes. I have no idea how it comes, but I always have to do it twice. So edit, administrators, add administrator, bot. And now it turned into blue. And my bot has been promoted. So as you can see, I am the owner and my bot is administrator. Now let's see what happens if I send a message here in this group. I immediately receive a message back from N8n. So as you can see, this workflow has been executed correctly. If for you this doesn't work, you need to check some things, and therefore you need to go to your bot folder. And here you type my bots. You select the bot you are using. You go to bot settings. Here you need to check this allow groups. For me it is already turned on, but if for you it's not turned on, you have to turn it on here. And then another thing you need to check, group admin rights. Here manage chat needs to be checked. For me it is checked. So this is the way to interact with messages from Telegram groups. But now I hear you say, I don't want to receive all the incoming messages in a group in N8n. I just want to send a message or automate sending a message to a group. That also can be done. So we go back to our workflow, and instead of this trigger, we start with a manual trigger, or you can schedule it. And then we copy this node. And we already have the chat ID from this one. This can be hard coded. So we copy this one, and chat ID is fixed. And you type the message you want to send. So if you execute this step, you see only sending, type the message you want to spread. If you only want to send messages to a private group, the bot doesn't need to be administrator. So therefore we go back to our group settings. We click on edit, click on administrators, and dismiss admin. So no longer admin. Let's see what happens. There is no automatic reply when I go back, but when we go back to our workflow and click execute workflow, we received the message from N8n. So this is how you automate communicating with groups using N8n. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, please subscribe and stay tuned till the next one. Bye!